and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something which I have not done I guess previously on my channel, and that is I'm going to be comparing two foundations. Now if you have seen my videos, you all know I like the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So this is the foundation that I usually use. It has got a good coverage and it is pretty affordable as well and available. And the shade range in India, I feel, at least in the shops around me, is not that great. But in general, overall, the Superstay has a good shade range. Whenever I go to purchase these Superstay foundations, they always have like just one or two shades available, which is annoying, but well. So yeah, so this is the Superstay. So this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And the other foundation that I'm going to compare this to is this. Now I know I have grown up using Lakme products since when I can remember. I have used a lot of Lakme products, right? So now this foundation is Lakme 9 to 5. So this is from the 9 to 5 collection. This is not newly launched, it's quite old actually. This is Primer Plus Matte Perfect Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade C380 Cool Walnut. So this is the shade. And now 95 collection is actually pretty good. I know the lipsticks, I've used those lipsticks, they're pretty good. I have not used foundation. Now as I was saying, I remember using Lakme products while growing up. Now obviously when I was growing up, the products that I used, they were not like extremely good, nor did I know how to use them. So you know, it was just like with my friends, I used to buy something from the shop and just apply it randomly, probably in a wrong way. So yeah, now I have heard a lot about this, that the coverage is good, the finish is good, it stays on for quite some time. So yeah, I just wanted to try this out and see if this actually is good. This is actually really good. So we're going to compare these two. So this one I'm going to apply on this side and this one is going to be applied on this side, and we will see how good it is. I'm going to quickly apply some moisturizer because I've not applied anything on my face. My face only has some sunscreen which I applied because you know, when I came to the studio, I just came to the studio. So before leaving the house, I applied sunscreen because I do genuinely feel that when you apply sunscreen, your skin just feels better. So even if I have nothing on my face, even if it's night or day, I don't really care, but I always apply sunscreen. Okay? So I have applied the moisturizer, and now let's go in with the foundation. So first, quickly, I'm going to apply the Superstay foundation just on this part. So I'm taking like one pump of that, and usually when I apply this, when I'm like going out and stuff, I always apply 2 layers. So that is what I will do today. So I'm just gonna use the foundation as if I am using it when I'm going out for a function or whatever. So yeah. And I'm going to be using this brush, which is what I always use to apply foundation. I also have been using a beauty blender and it's doing pretty well actually. I'm getting into beauty blenders, so that is layer number 1. I am going to add in I'm taking one more pump and I'll just be adding that. So the first one, it actually has good coverage, but if you have like acne spots and stuff, it's always good. Like I do have a few acne spots, so it's always good to have like another layer to just conceal it. I'm not adding any concealer, so I'm just gonna add some foundation only on my under eye. Now sometimes when I am going out, I just either use only the concealer to conceal my under eyes, or I only use some foundation to conceal my dark spots and stuff. So yeah, it really depends on what my mood is, because I somehow feel if you add both, it kind of can feel too much sometimes. So yeah. So that is how this thing looks, Superstay, and as you can see, it looks very natural. The skin tone is very close to my skin color also. So yeah, this is what I always use, right? Now Let's try this shade. Now this shade is going to be darker. Now this shade is slightly warmer, like slightly darker than my skin tone, but let's just see the coverage and everything. How is the coverage and how is the finish and how long does it stay? Now this is going to be slightly darker than my skin tone, so I'm already prepared for that, but we'll just see how the finish is, how the application is, how the coverage is, because I have heard that, I mean, this is supposed to be full coverage, so let's see. Yeah, so I already know, like I said, it's going to be dark, and that is how it is. It comes with this spatula sort of a thing, and okay, as you all can tell, this is quite dark, but let's just roll with it because we just want to see how the foundation is. It's okay if it's not matching. So one good thing is that the spatula ke wajah se my fingers are not getting dirty. So that's one good thing. Now let me just apply this. Now right off the bat I can tell you that this has a slight fragrance to it. So yeah. Okay, so that is layer number 1. Now as you can tell, this does look slightly darker, but we already knew that, so that's okay. Let's apply another layer. Now again, this has been in the market for quite some time. I really wanted to try because this is really cheap. This retails for 450 or something, 445, I don't remember. I'll put the prices somewhere here, but it's pretty affordable. So the coverage is actually not bad, it is pretty decent. The only difference is that the Lakme one gives a slightly dewy finish. As you all can tell, it's not completely matte, whereas this is a completely matte. So this one is matte and this one is a little dewy. So depending on what kind of finish you want, you can choose the foundation, but I do like this actually. It's got a really good finish, it's got a very dewy finish. It's very affordable. The spatula is good. It does get a little messy and you have to like, you know, when you use a pump to remove, you know how much quantity you have used. So you know, you can use like 2 pumps. It's very even. With the spatula, you have to kind of understand how much foundation you are using and not go overboard with the foundation. But yeah, I think the more you use it, the more you will understand how much you're adding and how much you're not. So yeah, all in all, I actually like the Lakme 95 foundation primer plus matte. For the price, this is pretty good. So if you want a foundation and you're just starting off and you want something really good, go for this one. I would actually genuinely suggest this to you guys. It is Lakme 95 primer plus matte. I will put it in the description box below in case you all want to go check it out. The shade range, the color range is not bad. It is not as good as Maybelline, I would say, but it is not bad. Also, if you don't get your exact foundation, what you all can do is you all can go in for 2 foundations. Actually, I'm gonna make a whole another video on that, because if you don't get your shade of foundation, there are like a few things that you all can do with the powders and foundations and stuff. So I will be telling you all that in another video. So I'll make like a whole separate video on that. But yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. These both foundations are really good. Love the coverage. This is matte, this is dewy, so depending on what you want to go with that day, go in for that. That is it for the video, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.